All right, guys. So on this P.E.T project that I'm working on right now, I am looking for buttons. I'm looking to make some buttons. So I'm also going to make a frame. Give this guy some kind of frame, um, so that it looks good on your phone. Like, yes, I want it to be in the phone, but I want it to look better in the phone. Um, Now I'm wondering. Let me show you guys something real quick. I'm actually wondering because I love Reddit, and there's a guy on Reddit who, or there's a few people on Reddit who have made some augmented reality characters, right? AR, yeah, some R mod characters, that were pretty cool. Or no, not R mod, just AR. Let's just put AR. See what we get. And they have actually been creating some cool things in there, but um yeah, like this is pretty cool, but right, they're showing us, right, what's in there, but like, am I viewing it? If I'm viewing it through a camera, can we really say it's AR, right? Like, I have to, you have to have a phone that's viewing it also. Oh wait, I didn't show you guys. Here we go. Let's replay that. You have to have a phone that's viewing it also, right? Some kind of camera that's viewing it also. I think it's pretty cool, but I just think it's corny that you would need a phone to be able to view that. I would like this to be set up so the movement could happen, or this parallaxing movement could be created by the way you orientate the phone, and I think that definitely can be done with Unity. So, um, but that's what we're going to be looking forward to going to here. Also, I mean, look at this. This is good too, right? Check that out. I mean, I think that's pretty cool too. Of course, you got to look through your phone to get all this to function right. And as you can see, they're using their hands. They're using a controller. I think they're using HTC Vive or something like that. So yeah. But the augmented reality, I'm trying to get up there, but I can't get up there without making Mega Man and making other things look good first. So we're starting with the bare minimum, but I could really use your support. Hi, I am Debonair, and you know me as the host of this channel, known as Indie Year. It is a show where we try to get your games up and running as fast as we possibly can, and we could really use your help in learning what that entails and what that is. How? Well, one, we show you how to use applications and things of that nature that result to you having to use minimal code or no code at all. Buildbox, Unity with Bolt, Hype, and anything with no code, we're going to be showing you guys how to use those to get your games up and running and on the Google Play Store or something like that as fast as we possibly can. And we can only show you from experience. We can only show you by doing it ourselves. We are also trying to get into full-time application and game development, and so every view and every click on this channel helps us out a lot. So please feel free to rate, comment, subscribe, upvote, follow, hit the notification bell so you know as soon as I put my newest content out. And most importantly, please do share. Let's get this thing underway. All right. Oh, that's a mess. I definitely need to clean up back there. I'm definitely going to do that by the end. I mean, after this video, I definitely am trying to. Oh my goodness! But I'm trying to create as many, as often as I can for this channel as well as others. I need to get more into creation hardcore, and I'm missing out on so much because I've been slacking. So let's cut that out. Bad debonair, bad. Okay. So anyway. Right now, we're looking to create a frame, a beautiful frame for our Mega Man, and I think what I have in Canva is pretty good, but I've downloaded it already. This has an excellent frame. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this yellow here, and I'm definitely going to take this circle here and make these so I could place these on our Mega Man, right? So first and foremost, let's get rid of, let's see, effect and erase. All right, so that's what I should be doing. So I'm going to erase. I'm going to erase this background here. Okay. And I'm going to erase all of this, so I only have a circle left. All right. Going to get rid of all that. I've already had it erase some of the other things. So now I'm going to zoom in real quick so I can get a better erasure. Okay. And I probably should erase that too. Okay. Get rid of that. And I would really appreciate if Canva had like what's the word I'm looking for? A masking I could use right now to mask out what I don't need. And I also could use, like, look, boom, and that messes the whole thing up. I don't know why. Canva needs to work on that. Okay, maybe. But anyway, I need a I need something to smooth this out. You can see it's jinky right now, or janky. You can see the pixels in it right now, which is kind of hideous. So I'm going to erase as much as I can. And I want this blue. I want this blue because I do want it to appear as though your phone, I want your phone to feel like it's changed from a phone into a P.E.T. So we're going to hit done on that. Back away from that. All right. We're going to get a element. We're going to grab a black circle or just a circle. And we're going to change it to black. All right. We're going to place it, position it behind. So we're going to put it right in the middle, I guess. Take this. Put it right in the middle. And I guess we have to. Okay, I see what's going on here. So we'll delete this circle. We'll crop this and make it so that it's just the one item, and then we'll download it from Canva. There we go. Download it from Canva to fix it. So download PNG, download. All right, and then we'll go into our uploads and upload it from our device into Canva. Because as you can see, we're trying to clean up that line there. So cancel. I want to delete it, to be honest. So boom, delete it. Bam, bring that in. Right. Now we can position it, make sure that it's on the, want it to be, well, maybe it doesn't matter right now. So we'll take and grab that circle again that we were just using. Okay. We'll make it black, completely pitch black. All right. We will position it behind, so push backwards. Okay, we will increase the size. Oh, okay. So we got to go into here and go to effects, go to remove background so that I can see that circle. Come on, come on. You can do it, Canva. Yes, thank you, Canva. All right, so I can see my circle. And matter of fact, increase the size of this now. Boom, dead on. Okay. Now, oh, now we can't get to what we need to get to. Okay. All right, so all right, and it looks like it wasn't black enough. So first we'll get, matter of fact, we'll delete this circle and just grab the black outline. Maybe a black outline could help. So let's zoom in so we could better situate this. All right. And position it ever so slightly. Yes. Make it black. All right. Yes. Now we can go into the other one and possibly just erase what we don't need. Give me a moment. We could do a little bit more. We could do better erasing, to be honest with you. So that's what we're going to try to do. A little bit better erasing. Because there was some stuff coming out. There we go. Some things coming out of the edge. So let's zoom in. And let's get rid of more of the black. Right? Because that's not, we don't need that. And our outline is going to clean that all up. Again, I'm probably going to take and drag this through PixArt if I can't. Oh, dang. If I can't find everything on Canva. Canva tends to not have every single thing that I need. It's annoying to say the least sometimes, but with Canva I get to show you guys a little bit easier without having to upload it from my phone. I can just do it. Dang, I did it again. Yeah, so they definitely need to work on that. They definitely have to work on that. Come on, come on. So I'm just trying to get rid of as much black as I can. As much of the nasty outline as I can, so that when I put my black outline on, everything is all right. We hit done. Let's see how this black outline is going to look now. All right. Dang it. It doesn't look too good. It looks close though. It looks close. So let's see. All right, this is definitely better. Definitely better. Maybe we can take and duplicate. Drag that out a little more. Get a cleaner looking voila right here. Right? Okay. Now we take and download this. Again, as a PNG. It could be sized up, but I think this is good. with a transparent background. From here, I already had, you see the file on my phone, on my computer. So I can actually take and stop the game real quick, or stop the processes going on in Buildbox. Go to the UI and go into my computer, or go right here. It's already ready. And I'm just going to drag and drop it here as an image and hope, boom. Oh yeah. All right. From there, I will resize it because it's too big. And just as that size though, now it should not look that bad. So you place it down here. I'm hoping you guys see everything I'm doing. I'm placing it down there. And then let's hit play on the game again. Woo woo woo! Booyah! Look at that. Look at that. Hold on. Let's zoom. Wow! I think that looks pretty cool. I think that looks pretty good. Not as high quality as the icon he has on his chest, but nonetheless, I think it's pretty cool. Yeah, I think that's really cool. Really cool. Okay. So let me see. Want it just a wee bit. Hold on. Let's zoom in. There we go. All right. So we're going to have it right there. It's going to be clickable. So in fact, let me delete that now. I'm going to have my button. I'm going to place a button there. It's going to be a navigation button. The navigation button's image is going to be from there. Okay. Bye, y'all. Okay. And then we're going to shrink the size of that button. And it's going to be fresh. There we go. Let me see if I can press it. I'm going to see if it's pressable. Yo, it's clickable. It is clickable, guys. Yes, yes, yes. So we'll definitely be changing that around every here and there. I think that's a good enough size. Let me see what happens when the screen size changes. Oh, yes, it still is. Oh, it is still beautiful. Oh, that is gorgeous. That is excellent. Oh, man. Oh, man. Okay. So yeah, we're gonna have a couple buttons that we could choose from. Let's see, what else do we need? We need the edges. We need the edges to change also. So I like the edges here. So we're gonna get rid of that whole middle, and this is gonna become the frame. I don't know if you guys can see it. I gotta make sure you guys can see it. Where are we here? Okay, we're gonna get rid of the entire middle. And that's going to become our frame. Give me one moment to show you guys that on our screen. Okay, so we have this right here, the P.E.T. And we're going to take this P.E.T. We're going to gut out gut out all of this, like we're only going to have this left over. Right? Or no, we're going to have not this left over. We're going to have this blue section, right, with the white on it. We'll have that left over. Okay. Ooh, maybe this white. Maybe this was white, so that way we want to stretch it to fit perfectly over, perfectly around this item. So again, once again, your P.E.T. is set up and ready and available. So we're gonna have to get to the erasing part once again. Which is always annoying. But let me see. I'm going to delete that, delete that, delete that. And we're going to rotate this 90 degrees. Okay. We're going to zoom out some, spruce this up, make it bigger so that we can actually see what it is we're working with. Oh no. All right, so we have this. We're going to go hit effects and we're going to remove some of this background. All right, some of the background has been removed. We're going to download it and then re-upload it once again. Transparent background PNG. Going to start anew, go to all my designs, go here basically, close out these and these, you know. All right. Next we are going to delete this and import the one that we just had. Upload. I probably don't need to go through all these steps, but I'm trying to get the cleanest version I can possibly get. As you can see, no background with that already, so that should be good. I'll place it here. Okay, it's kind of been cleaned up a little bit, so that's pretty good. All right, next we have to go into effects and do some erasing. And I think what I'm going to do is just erase half, like erase some, erase half, and then duplicate that half. I'm going to duplicate the half that doesn't have the button. You see a button here? I'm going to duplicate the half that doesn't have the button. So I'm going to erase half of this. So let me get to erasing. And any mess ups, I'm just going to make sure to put a good black outline onto it. And also, I probably should have a way to turn off the effect that you see on the screen with Mega Man. So I'm probably going to have to. Probably going to have to learn to turn that off. See that I just used the teleporter to make that effect. That was the easiest way to do it. Let me see, where am I? All right, here we go. Finish erasing. Whew, okay, this is almost good to go. Almost done. I like to get pretty close. Okay, pretty close, pretty close. Come on. Want to make sure that we get this on your phones as fast as we possibly can. I think that's probably what I should change the name of the channel to, as fast as we possibly can. No. Undo that. Oh no! Oh no! 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 Oh no! They didn't just do that to me. Wow. Wow. Okay. All right. Well, we're gonna do erasing. We're gonna make this huge. Gonna erase all that and erase all that. All right. This is good. This is good. Nope. That's bad. Restore. Okay. Oh man. All right. That was good. That went a little well. Better than expected. Hey, that's pretty good. Let's keep this good energy going. Woo! I love how sharp those are. Could I get that like that every time? Mm. I'm doing this with a mouse, so I'm still amazed myself. If I could just get it right. Whew. All right. All right. And as I said, I'm probably still going to take and put this through PixArt to clean it up. It still looks janky. But I mean, if I can get this to look good or presentable, we could at least get it to the Google Play Store. See the possibility of getting sued and hurry up and start to make money to free myself from having to go to work all the dang time and actually being able to devote all of my time and attention to creating worlds that we actually want to explore, and not only that, but the way we want to explore them. Um, me personally, when it comes to augmented reality, I do not like having to explore that with my hands up. Hands get tired, right? Head doesn't necessarily always get tired with the right equipment on. Especially as the equipment gets more advanced and better and lighter. Um, and I think this is a pretty good. This is pretty good, right here. If I hit done, I'm going to hit done on it. Okay, I'm going to expand it out. What are you doing? What are you doing? No, no, no. No, what is going on? Why? 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 Okay, we're gonna look at this one more time. I don't I don't know what just happened. All right, from now on, I'm just gonna. Oh man, Canva, how you do me like that, Canva? Ah, oh man, come on, Canva. All that work, I just put it into erasing all of that. Why? Why did it go from? Why did it do that? All right, so next time we just download it immediately. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna hurry up, erase all that stuff. Make this bigger. Erase all that stuff, and just hurry up and download it once we're done. Then we'll take the one that we download and we'll edit that. Right? We'll edit the one that we downloaded. You know. That way, the worst that could happen is nothing. But we'll already have this work done. I don't like having to chop it into so many different segments. But not all the tech is working properly today. so, so, yeah, probably should have definitely done this. And this is, I probably should have done it in PixArt. PixArt does not give me that many problems. It's not an endorsement for PixArt. It's just Canva. It has its purposes. It has its perks, and then it has the things that it messes up on. And because I don't use it that often, I don't know what it is until days like these where I'm like, yeah, let me crank out a million videos, and here we go. Here we go. Canva's like, nope, nope. You're gonna take long on this video. Um, all right. Come on, let's go. Dang! Nope. Restore. Okay. Woo wee. All right. We can't reverse on here, guys. We can restore it, but we can't reverse it. Let's go. Okay. Can't use the reverse button. Let's just remember that. Let's finish this up. Follow through. Now, when I finally finish, like actually get all the functions functional, we're gonna take and have it so that that button is going to actually change depending on what NetNavi you have, or maybe you'll be able to change that button. I haven't decided yet, but for the most part, that button is going to change depending on what Navi you have. So if you have role, it'll change to her icon and her color scheme. If you have base, it'll change to his. If you have Gutsman, it'll change to his, glide, etc. So if that sounds like something you're into, please stay tuned. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to make sure these are like full-fledged devlogs somewhat. Try to have them so that you guys basically can stay updated. When I get far enough, we're definitely going to have a Kickstarter. because I definitely would like to, just like I said, go full time game dev. Guys, help me out. Hmm. Okay, so we're gonna hit done. We're gonna hit download right away. Download. We're gonna go to home, file, create new design, customize the size. No, we don't care. Presentation again, I guess. I don't care. I'm gonna close that one out. We're gonna go to uploads, upload what we just made. Open. Wow. Okay, so when it downloaded, even though it looks like it's supposed to be what it's supposed to be, Canva is not erasing it, even though I hit done. What is wrong with you, Canva? What's wrong? What's wrong, Canva? Why can't you do what you're supposed to do, Canva? All right, let me just go to effects and erase one thing on here and see how well that works. So now you're seeing me battle with Canva and whether or not it's going to do what it knows it's supposed to do. I had to get a little something off the screen. All right. All right. Hopefully this works. It's got to work. It's got to work. Yes, it did work this time. All right. So now with this, we're going to take in one more effect. We're going to remove the background. Oh, we already have the background removed. So when we download it this time, let's download it as a PNG with the transparent background, and we're downloaded now. From there, once again, we're going to go back into Buildbox, and we're going to see if we can get it looking good. Now, it is not a button, so we're just going to drag and drop it there. All right, I'm taking it over to my other screen real quick so I can get it over to Buildbox as an image. Voila. Right? And on the Buildbox screen, I don't know if you guys see it. Yes, you guys can see it. So on the Buildbox screen, we gotta have it like this. We can have it like this. And it looks like it's not gonna fit. It's not gonna fit on there, but I don't know. Let me see what it looks like on here. I don't know. It doesn't look too good. It doesn't. I didn't clean it up, so there's that. It's not on the very edge. There is some space, so let's put it on the edge. We can still see the background, which is not too good. Let's see what else is wrong. Yeah, I think it's just that. I do like the blue and the yellow, right? Let me see if I could. Like if I was to make it the right size, it just wouldn't look that good. So, so maybe I don't know. Should I rotate it or something? Like how could how could we go about doing this? Let me see. Oh, a rotation of maybe 90. Okay. Oh, that's actually much better. Yeah, that fits a little bit better. I mean, without this, of course. But I can dig it. Hold on. Right, and I actually do like that. And then we just need one long blue and yellow bar up there. Let us take and can I duplicate this? If I duplicate it, let's see. Duplicating in Buildbox. Normally it's like this, right? Voila. And have that be negative 180 maybe? Oh, I would have to take and mirror this somehow. Let me see. Let me see if will this work. Oh, yes, it did work. Oh, yes, it did. All right. So still negative 90 should work now. Yeah. Get it a little. I gotta get in there. I gotta get in there to get. something like that. Let me shrink this a little bit. And fix both of these while it's shrunken, and hopefully maybe that can make a significant change. Or maybe it can't, but that still looks kind of good. Yeah, I think that still looks good. Bring this down some. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to add some extra blue right there to those images. But I think it could work. I actually think it could work. All right, so I'm gonna go file save real quick, so everything is gonna be working properly, and at least it'll look partially good. Then let's see. I can go get. I probably should quit using. I probably should quit using Canva. To make this, but I'm already in here now, right? Okay, so we just need a blue strip like that, and blue, black, and yellow goes up the whole side. Could I duplicate? Let's see. I'm gonna try to duplicate and then just drag this thing really, really long. You see how long did it get? It got exceptionally long, but it's starting to look more hideous as it goes on. So yeah, let me turn back on that scrolling. I think that helps a little bit. All right, but I don't want this to go on too long if you're not interested. So I'm going to end the video right here as we get more underway with everything that is functional, with everything that is working. Right here, we probably want to quit while we're ahead, hoping that nothing breaks in the meantime. And with all of that being said, you know what to do. But if you don't know what to do, rate, comment, subscribe, upvote, follow, hit the notification bell so you know as soon as I put my newest content out. I am Debonair, the host of this channel known as Indie Year, where we create games as fast as we possibly can. And we are looking to, 1, gain assistance, and 2, help you. How can you help us? Well, you can simply either join in on any other projects that we're having. Let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to tell you exactly how you can contribute to these awesome projects, get your name in the projects and things of that nature. 2, go into the links in the description to use for yourself. There are links there that will send you to all of our social medias so that you can stay updated. And also there is a book in there that is supposed to be 40 pages, but I tried to condense it down to even less pages, and that went a little awry. However, it is free for you currently via link in the description that says free ebook known as The Only Code Is No Code. With all of that being said, I will be seeing you in the next video, where I honestly don't know what we're going to do, what we're going to add, but I do believe that you will enjoy it. Until then, I'll see you guys later.